Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, USA. The F-22 Raptor is the oldest and most advanced fighter jets in the world, developed by Lockheed Martin and Boeing for the USAF. The fighter jet is not for sale to other countries and was inducted by the U.S. Air Force in 2005. The F-22 Raptor is a single-seat, twin-engine fifth-generation extremely advanced tactical fighter known for its stealth, integrated avionics, superior performance and supermaneuverability. The Raptor made its first flight in September 1997 and can be used in a wide array of missions, including surveillance, reconnaissance, attack, electronic warfare and signals intelligence. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, USA. The F-35 Lightning II is widely regarded as one of the most sophisticated fighter jets in the world. It is also the only international fifth-generation multi-role fighter plane in the world, which means unlike F-22 Raptor that can't be exported, the F-35 Lightning II can be used by Air Force of other countries like Turkey and Japan are current buyers of this fighter jet that can do vertical takeoff and landing. Much like helicopters, the single-seat fighter is armed with a range of weapon systems such as Sidewinder and Storm Shadow, as well as Joint Direct Attack munitions. The F-35 comes in three variants: the conventional takeoff and landing, short takeoff, vertical landing and carrier variant. Sukhoi Su-57 Russia, competing against the duo of US-made 5th-gen fighter jets, is the Russia-made Sukhoi Su-5, which is the country's first 5th-generation fighter jet. The Su-57 is a single-seat, twin-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft manufactured by Sukhoi, the same company that makes Su-30 MKI for India, formerly called PAK-FA and T-50. The Su-57 is still to be inducted in the Russian Air Force due to some delays. However, the jet is fully ready and will replace the existing fleet of Su-27 4th-generation fighter. The aircraft can defend all types of ground, air and surface targets of the enemy and can carry short-range air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface missiles, short and medium-range guided and unguided weapons, and aerial bombs in 250 kg, 500 kg, and 1,500 kg classes.
Chengdu J-20 China. Last on our list is the China-made Chengdu J-20, which is a fifth-generation, single-seat, twin-engine stealth fighter jet manufactured by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group. The jet is made for the People's Liberation Army Air Force and has been on the active duty since 2017. The aircraft can hold a mix of beyond visual range air-to-air and short-range missiles, air-to-surface missiles, laser-guided bombs and anti-radiation missiles.